Do you guys smell something burning? What up, YouTube? So I just got home from work. Jason and Jaylena will either be home later tonight or early tomorrow. I gotta feed all the animals, but I'm in a rush today because we are under a tornado watch. So hopefully I can get everything done. You can start seeing the darker clouds forming behind me, but let's get to work. All right guys, so as you saw, I'm barefoot right now. Hope I don't step on any stickers because they are everywhere. I was just kidding about the stickers part. Only have a 50% chance of actually hurting myself. As you can tell, I got a fake foot. As you can see back behind me, all the animals are eating right now. They're all getting their dinner. It's starting to pick up with wind a little bit. Hopefully it's not gonna be too bad, but everybody looks like they're good and ready for this storm to roll in. I'm just going around the property right now, just make sure everything's okay. Checking all the fence lines, seeing if there's any holes or anything that I need to fill in. If maybe something's trying to get in the property or if one of the animals is trying to get out. Just want to make sure we're able to keep everything in the property that needs to be in the property. And this is why we like to have goats, because on this side of the yard along the fence we don't have the goats, and you can see how tall the grass is getting. I don't want to have to weed eat everything, so maybe when Jason and Jaylena get back we'll hook up the electric fence and have the goats eat along this fence line for about a week or so and get this cleared up for us. Look at all these little dirt mounds in the front yard. This is actually where we have crawfish or crawdads, whatever you want to call them, that dig these holes and bury themselves down in the ground. When it rains a lot, they'll come out and you can actually see some out in the yard, but they're everywhere. It's kind of cool looking. Looks like a bunch of little huts. This one looks like a little mountain. Check this out. This is the cucumber that I just threw in here, just hoping that it would grow, and it is growing like crazy. And then over here, we have okra that is starting to sprout out as well. It's pretty cool. I just threw it in there just hoping that it would grow. Didn't really mess with it too much, and looks like everything's starting to grow, and we'll have to put it out in the garden pretty soon. So I told Jason for a while he needs to get rid of his water boots. He's had them laying around the house. It's his old pair that he tried to fix with Flex Seal. It didn't work. He's not using them. I keep telling him to get rid of them. I think today is the day that I get rid of them for him. Today, I'm going to burn them. I think I just found Jason the perfect birthday gift. Comment below if you think he's gonna enjoy it.